can I ask you how has been Sibos so far for you?
Yeah, so far I think Sibos, both for me and for HSBC, has been terrific. As we know, there's about 7,500 representatives, so I think that's a very, very good turnout. But more than the attendees, I think the level of conversation is really at an excellent, mode. Quite mature, actually, and quite positive, bullish on the future. As many of us know, we're in a regulatory environment that's been increasing. And yet, if you listen to the conversation, everybody's talking about ways to comply, and they see a vision for growth for us and our customers. So this is very encouraging.
So much better mood than last year in Osaka.
I would think so, and there were a number of things going on in Osaka, if I might say. It was on the heels of Hurricane Sandy, so everybody was quite distracted by that, particularly the North American banks, worrying not only about their offices, but their families and how they were going to get home, and whether everyone was safe, so I think that happened. I think the distance was a little further for some of our Sibos attendees to come, so the turnout was a bit lower. And there were some Asian banks missing last year, so that's all changed. They're back at the conference, so there's much more holistic participation than last year, yes.
Now, more specifically for HSBC, in terms of your obviously very global business, big presence in this area of payment and cash management, what can you tell us?
Well, I think I can tell you that we see a number of changes on the horizon. First of all, I think we feel that the Treasurer is growing in importance for their companies, and particularly not just in terms of cash position, but how they can help the company move forward. And it's things like transaction banking, cash forecasting, maybe more efficiencies, better liquidity management that are helping them grow in importance and help them work with their boards and with the CFO. But we're also very conscious, and if you think about HSBC and its heritage, of the rising changes and the shift in economic power to the east and to the south. And we see that our customers are also very aware, and we can help bring them along on that journey. And customers are much more interested in what they should do to get prepared for the future as the new currency, renminbi, for example, takes its higher ranking in the order of world currencies. So we just see a lot going on in that sense. And we also see customers looking at ways to move into new countries they haven't been in before, because there's more consumers in those markets, more employee base to help with production, and certainly a lot of investment opportunities and investors. So I think we see that as well.